In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Windows 11 Settings app not opening or working properly. If your Settings app just refuses to open, closes immediately, or freezes as soon as you click something, don't worry. We're going to walk through a clear sequence of fixes, starting from the simplest and moving toward more advanced options. Follow along on your own computer as I explain each step, and feel free to pause the video after each method so you can try it yourself. First, start with a basic restart of your computer. It sounds simple, but Windows can sometimes get stuck because of temporary glitches or background processes. Click the Start button, choose Power, then Restart. After your system boots back up, try opening the Settings app again from the Start menu, or by pressing Windows key +I on your keyboard. If that didn't work, the next thing to try is running the Windows built-in troubleshooter for apps. Open the Start menu and type Troubleshoot Settings. Then open it. In the troubleshooting window, look for options related to apps, such as Windows Store apps. Run that troubleshooter and follow the on-screen instructions. When it finishes, test the Settings app again. If Settings still won't open, you can try repairing system files that may have become corrupted. Click the Start button, type Command Prompt, then right-click it, and choose to run as administrator. In the command window, type the System File Checker command and press Enter. This process can take a while, so let it complete without interrupting it. When it's done, restart your computer one more time and see if Settings now works correctly. Another useful option is to reset the Settings app itself, even if you can't open it normally. Click the Start button, search for Settings, then right-click the result and choose App Settings, or a similar option. In the window that appears, look for the Repair and Reset buttons. Start with Repair. If that doesn't solve the problem, go back and choose Reset. Keep in mind that Reset may clear some custom preferences inside the app, but it will not remove your personal files. If none of these steps work, make sure your Windows installation is up to date. From the Start menu, search for Windows Update and open it. Install any pending updates, restart your computer, and test the Settings app again. Work through these methods in order, and in most cases, your Windows 11 Settings app should be back up and running.